Well, here we are with kit number 5. This one's called Bottled Up and it's due out on the 1st of November 2018. And as with all our other kits, it comes in its gorgeous box. And in this one, I'm going to be showing you and giving you instructions how you can re-gift this. So actually use the box and turn it into a gift box. So shall we take a peek inside, see what you're getting? It's absolutely jam-packed with stuff. It's fabulous. So you get our little thank you card and we give you a little bit of information and that on there. So we've got that. I love this stuff. Do you know what? This is lovely to get one of those clear acrylic tree ornaments, you know, ball. I couldn't think then. And pop some of this inside with a little bit of glitter and you've got really nice, simple, but effective Christmas decorations. Okay, on to the contents. So, it's called Bottled Up because we're giving you a project that is quite a full-on project, let's say. It's not hard to do, it's very easy to do, but there's quite a few techniques in there, so it's really, really good. Obviously you're getting some sweeties again. So there's your bottle. That's your actual kit for the whole little project there. So it's all inside there for you. And then we've got our fabulous paper artsy fresco finish paint, and this colour is Nougat, and it's such a beautiful colour because it just goes with everything. Then we're giving you a 2-ounce bottle of Mod Podge. Love this stuff. It's so easy to use and so versatile. Then you're getting the Eyes Ink texture paste. This one's just in oh, I can't open it because it'll ruin it. But it's just a white colour. And you can actually colour this. You can emboss onto it. You could colour it with your inks, spritzers. It's fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. So you're getting a full size one of those. We're even giving you a little foam brush to do your applications. Then you're getting, let's give this a shake. This one's called Clear Sparkle. And it just does what it says on the tin basically. It's clear and it sparkles. It's really, really pretty. That's a must-have really. Then we've got Opaque Bright White Ultra High. Now if you've never used Ultra High, it's a much thicker granule to our regular and you can get some really great effects with it. Absolutely love that. And then let's give this one a shake. This one's called Iced Silver. If you just take a little peek in there. I just want to point out, I just saw one in there, but I think it's gone away now. If ever you get our bottles and there's tiny little white bits in there that look maybe like polystyrene balls or something, they're not. But let me just assure you, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just part of the process that we do. To do with our little secret that we have in there. I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you. But it's not going to affect your powder at all. It'll just burn off. It affects it in no way whatsoever. All right. And this one is your exclusive. So it's exclusive for a few months to you. And it's called Black Magic. And it's actually, oh, it's just gorgeous. It's a mixture of regulars and ultra highs and other colours in there. And yeah, just beautiful. And I'll show you that on a finished example in a moment. Then you're getting some twine and some little cardstock stars. Then my favourite colour obviously, my favourite colour in our fab foils called Ice Blue. And then you're getting a Pink and Main. I told you we keep giving with this one. It's a fabulous kit. Pink and Main Merry Christmas die. And this is just fabulous. And it's not just the word Merry Christmas, but you get the outline die as well. So there's 2 dies in there. Just brilliant. And as normal, so this one, because they're a bit more sort of involved. There's only 2 projects on this one, but that's not to say that you can't go along and just create so many more projects, because you're going to have so much left over. That's the great thing about these kits. We just give you a little boost, show you how to do it, and then you can go off and work your magic. So then we've got some cardstock with some double-sided adhesive on there from Sticks 2, which is fabulous, and I explain all that in the instructions. And then this is a piece of funky foam. Again, I'll explain that in the instructions. And last but not least, can't even speak now, I'm excited. Last but not least, a piece of cardstock, and that will come clear in a moment. So let me just show you. So first of all, the bottle kit, you're going to be able to make one of these. This is what you're getting, and look at the texture we've got on there. So for all you mixed media artists out there, this is just such, it's just such a fabulous technique. We're going to be doing an enamel heart. We're going to be embossing again on metal, on paper, on plastic. It's really, really gorgeous, and it's such a fab way of using up all your little bits. So full instructions on this. This can be used afterwards. You can put some sticks in there and have it as a room diffuser. You could fill it with bubble bath and gift it to someone, or keep it for yourself. And then the other bit, I'm just going to stick the lid back on here, because that bit of cardstock you just saw in there, this is what I've done with it. Let me just turn it round. So I've torn it out, and then I'm going to actually adhere it to the box, and then I'm going to put some gifts inside. So if I just give you a little close-up on that, and this is where your texture paste comes into it, your ultra highs, just fabulous. Look at that foil colour, just beautiful, really, really gorgeous. So that is kit number 5 for you. Thank you to everyone who subscribes with us so far. We really, really appreciate you. We hope you're enjoying the kits as much as we are. If you have any questions, you can drop me a line, marion@WowEmbossingPowder.co.uk, and I can answer for you. But just enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.